Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Nexus. Today I explain how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now this is really annoying when your PC or your laptop goes very slower just because of the cached memory. Now I will be sharing a very simple method through which you can clear the RAM cache and boost your Windows 10 or 11 performance. So let me open my Task Manager. If I right-click on the Windows icon and click on Task Manager, and then if I go to the Performance section. So right now you can see that around 6.3 GB is the cache memory on my computer. Alright, so this is a lot of space that has been occupied, and if I want to free it out, then there is a very simple method. What you will have to do, you need to bring up a website that is RAMup, which is a Microsoft product. So it's totally safe and very small in size. So you will be getting this link in the description. You need to open this website, then click Download RAMup. Once it downloaded, it will be downloaded in a zip file. You need to right-click on it, click Show in Folder. Then you just need to extract the file. So right-click, choose Extract File or Extract All, whichever option you get. Then you need to choose the location. So I will click on Extract, and you will see this all files are being extracted. Now here you have to look for ramup.exe, the one with the highest RAM map 64. So once you get it, you just need to make a right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Then you have to click on Agree, and this kind of a small box will be now coming up. Alright, so now what I am doing here, I'm dragging this cache memory at the left-hand side and this application of RAMup on the right-hand side so that I can show you that what kind of difference it makes. Now once the RAMup is up, you have to click on Empty option at the left-hand top. Then click on Empty Standby List, and once I click on it, you will notice that the cache memory is going down. So hopefully guys you will find this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe for any question. I see you in the next video. Have a nice day.